What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review I have a HART. Just kidding, I like saying that. So I do have a HART tool. So actually I have two HART tools, and with that being said, you guys go to your local Walmart or go to any Walmart, go all the way in the back. A lot of times Walmart has a clearance section. For all the Walmarts that I've been in, I have here a blower, which is a 40-volt battery, and I have a trimmer, which operates with a 40-volt battery, and a charger. You guys, this is insane. The insane part of this is I paid $107. I actually have to look in here to see if everything is in here. So that's why y'all probably stumbled on this channel, so y'all can see for yourselves. Maybe y'all bought it at original price, which is, it says here 166. So for two different tools, I don't think that's bad. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. Oh man, this is nice. Both units are in here. I know what people are gonna say. Oh, why do you need so many blowers? Why do you need this? It's because I want it, okay? Why do you need a $80,000 car, $50,000 car? Because you want it, right? Taking this out, and as you can see, it actually haven't been used. So I'm gonna put this down. Well, it looked like it haven't been used. This thing is massive. This is almost similar to the Whisperer that I have. I might have a new favorite toy. Depends. It says ultra quiet. We will put that up to the test. The weather is coming back, you guys. You can tilt your handle. Who thought of that idea? Oh, well, you have to tilt your handle. You have no choice because you need to get your battery on. So I took that out. There's a bolt here. It's not lifting up. Oh, it's hard to lift up. Wow. Okay. Put this back on. All right, you guys, I will get to the specs with y'all in a little bit. Right now, we're just doing an unboxing. All right, so it says power boost. So you have basically on the Ryobi, it says turbo. On here, it says power boost. And it looked like you have a speed setter right here. That's what it looks like, yep. Maneuver your speed adjustment right here. You'll see the trigger go in. You see that? Well, speed lock, whatever you want to call it. So that's pretty nice. I like this, you guys. Handles might take some getting used to. Maybe I have to put the handle down a little bit more. So with that being said, they do have the dome for this, cone, dome, whatever you want to call it. But this is real similar to the Whisper that I have. This is nice, you guys. Two of these tools for $100. Can't beat it. You just can't beat it. And I think I purchased a warranty with it as well. Is this longer than the one I had on the channel? This is not used. This is awesome. This is still new. Maybe it was a last year model and they have new models coming in, and whatever they have last year they need to get rid of. All right, so we have a whole lot of string. People was telling me in the comments on the last HART trimmer that I used, you have to bump it onto the ground for the string to come out. I didn't know because I'm new to these type of trimmers. I had the regular trimmers where it's like auto feed. So I guess the bump one may be better than the auto feed. I don't know. I don't know why they, flip-flop back and forth. This has a pin on it, so you can actually put the pin in the direction. You have 3 directions. All right, so you can actually aim this going one way to the right, and then to the left, and then straight ahead. We'll go over that more in a little bit. Right now, I'm just gonna put it in, tighten it up. You guys, so we are about to put this HART together. Well, this HART trimmer. All right, so first thing is first, make sure you're at the top of this thing. Like this is the top, so you know where you want your handle to be most comfortable. All right. Now, one thing I'm gonna say that's easy is for you to put this little clip here in this loop first. It's like a little hook for it right here. So you put that in there first, right? So you put it in this little hook, and then you try to line up. See, it's a little hard, but you need to put it in there, and then so there's nothing that really snaps, but you need to hold in place. It's kind of hard. It will be hard for you if it's your first time doing this. So yeah, you just hold it to where you want it at. Now you got to get your screw right here, or wing nut. Put that on, and then we're gonna put the butterfly right here on the bottom, and we put the nut up here on the top because it's squared, and the butterfly stays on the bottom, and you basically adjust it to where you want it to go. So don't tighten it all the way yet until you got it to where you need it, but I have it to where I want it, so this is comfortable for me. All right, and if you need to loosen it to turn it, you can loosen it and turn it, but right now I'm going to make it all the way tight. Now right here is your adjustment if you want this to be basically a edger or a trimmer. So if you want to use this as a trimmer, you press this down and then you twist. It's going to be a little hard, but if you have like a little bit of nails, you can do it. But you push that down and then twist, and now this thing can act as a edger. My bad, you guys, I had to get a flathead screwdriver, so you have to take this screw off right here. All right, take that screw off. You have to put, just like the other one, this has a little slot right here, okay? And as you know, that's the screw hole, and it's the same right here. You have the hole for the screw right here, and then you have the slot. So what you do is put it in and screw it on. Simple as that. Also, if you have a socket, you could probably use a socket as well, but a screwdriver will be faster. Now, the last time that I put a HART trimmer together, I didn't know about the bump feed. All right, so I thought it was auto feed, and it's obviously I didn't read the instructions right. I'm getting better, you guys. I'm getting better with time. Some things I still don't read instructions, I just go at it. Regular consumer, right? We got everything together, you guys. So I'm going to put you on some slow motion action on this new action camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro, which is amazing quality camera. And we are going to have some fun. There's another attachment on here which didn't come with the other HART trimmer that I reviewed, and I want to show y'all that attachment as well. So let's go ahead and have fun with this one. All right, you guys, so I put y'all at 240 frames per second at 1080p. No, I don't have y'all on 4K. I should have y'all on 4K, right? But I usually just use 1080p, you guys. Can y'all really tell the difference? I don't know. So let's go ahead and knock out some of this weed that I actually sprayed with tenacity. And let me get the battery. All right, there we go. 40 volts of power, 4 amps of energy. Aw, I don't have my garden clothes on. Wow, you guys, I thought I hit the record button and the last part was going to be so epic, but oh well. I have to say that this thing gives a good cut, you guys. Just look at this, the height comparison and how flat this is. So this is some good grass right here. Obviously y'all saw a bunch of weed here, but it's mixed in with a lot of good grass. So as you can see, I have about 3 to 4 inches of grass right there, and this is my low cut. As you can see, that this is very uniformed right there, like very good precision. This thing gives a good cut, and yeah, we cut most of it, and I didn't have y'all on record. Oh my god. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead, trim down the rest, the corners here, but it does look good. So homeowner association won't be able to say nothing now. They didn't say nothing, but I usually take care of my lawn, but I'm pretty sure that they say something to some people out here that don't take care of their lawn. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is you may want to wear a face shield because wow, this stuff kicks all in your face, you guys. This is more powerful than the one I had last year. This is insane. If the wire is too long, it will cut from the blade right here. People said that this did a bump feed, right? So I am going to see it actually works. Yep, it works, you guys. You bump it down. All right, you guys, so on here they have a high mode and a low mode. So right now I'm going to go ahead, I believe it's on low. Now I'm going to go on high. So you hold this down, and which way I'm going to do it? I think I'm going to go that way. It's a little bit rough, you guys. Wow. This thing will be used a lot this year. All right, so I might do the rest tomorrow. I just wanted to show y'all that. They have this attachment right here. More than likely, I'm not going to use this. This is just not my style, but I'm just going, but I will show y'all just in case this is your type of style. I'm going to take this off. There's a lock right there. You twist, you pull out. All right, so on this, you have these 4 little, I don't want to call them hooks, but these 4 pins right here. And then you have these 2 pins right here. So you have to line everything up. So as you can see, well, if you can see, you have the 2 pins that's supposed to go there and the 4 right there, and that spring keeps coming out and it's annoying. Now it's in all the way. There we go. All right, you guys, sorry about that. Now I have it in all the way. I know people are gonna be like, oh, you holding the trimmer all wrong. I'm doing this just to show y'all that the product works and it works good. I actually love this trimmer, you guys. This is going to be my favorite thing to use on the lawn this year. How did I forget about the blower that came with it, right? It was a combo. So using the same battery, once you're done doing your weed whacking or trimming or whatever you want to call it, you just slide this down. I didn't even have my hand on the trigger. All right, now I'm gonna turn it all the way back up to have the trigger all the way loose. Now 2, you have power boost. So when you press the trigger, so that's basically it with the HART blower. Hit the turbo. Everything is clean. So that trimmer basically is going to stay dirty, but it put in work today. It definitely put in work, and here goes the results. We are all done, you guys. So I'm going to wrap up this video.